In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair your kitchen chairs for the last time. You're going to need some gloves and some carpenter's glue, and put that carpenter's glue in there, into the connection, into the fitting, and pull it nice and tight. That carpenter's glue is rather inexpensive, so put enough in there. Wipe the excess glue off, put the gloves on. That epoxy will stick to just about anything. Put some cardboard down to protect your table. It's that glossy material that you see over the connection. You're going to then take some natural polished hemp cord. You can get it at Walmart. I chose it because it has high tensile strength. You could get it at a craft store and just wrap it around the connection. You're going to then take some epoxy and coat that connection one last time, and be sure to keep that epoxy away from kids because that epoxy will stick to just about anything.